So hello and welcome to Knowledgeist. Being it is the day for Guru Nanak Jayanti, our heartfelt wishes to everybody, to all our aspirants for SBA, for that matter, for all other exams like bank promotion, Maharashtra, RRB, everybody. We a great uh, Guru Nanak Jayanti. Hope you are enjoying this holiday wherever there is a holiday, but due to month end, of my students are still filled and working hard for the banks. But at the meantime, it is my duty to come forward and give you some insights regarding our upcoming marathon workshop. So, what there is a strange thing happened after our marathon banking class yesterday. कल के बैंकिंग मैराथन के बाद ऐसा हुआ कि बहुत सारा अचानक से डिमांड आने लगा कि सर आप खाली वीकेंड में ही पढ़ा लीजिए ऐसा मैराथन क्लास, हमें डेली क्लासेस नहीं चाहिए, हम पीपीटी में पढ़ लेंगे, पीडीएफ से पढ़ लेंगे, प्री रिकॉर्डेड जो वीडियोस हैं पूरा कंप्लीट तो हमने डाल भी रखा है, उससे पढ़ लेंगे। तो थोड़ा सा हमारा मंथ एंड चल रहा है और ये सब कारण से आजकल लेट हो जाता है, तो आप सिर्फ मैराथन ही रख लीजिए वर्किंग हॉलीडेज में, सिलेबस कवर हो जाएगा। ऐसा नहीं है। ये जो मैराथन सेशंस रहेगा, the upcoming marathon sessions that will supplement, and I will try my best. Even if you attend only the marathon sessions, you will surpass the cutoff mark. That was my idea. So on that we have decided today along with team that what will be our upcoming marathon workshops, so that you put in mind that that these kind of MCQs are going to come forward on our marathon sessions. We will not work twice on these kind of contents, ताकि ये आगे के मैराथन के बारे में मैं इसलिए आपको बता रहा हूँ कि आपको डबल काम ना करना पड़े। मैं जब मैराथन लेके आता हूँ किसी एक टॉपिक के ऊपर, सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर, मैं उसके भीतर बाहर सारा क्वेश्चंस बिटवीन द लाइन्स सब कुछ लेके आता हूँ। देयर विल बी नथिंग लेफ्ट आउटसाइड द परव्यू ऑफ आवर क्वेश्चन। You know all that, and that's why the demand is. So first thing is that you are preparing RBI circular just as per my recommendations. For the full year 2023, I will come with 200 MCQ. It will be the top 200 best MCQs that has the probability to come in exam. आपको तो मैंने पूरा फुल ईयर का पढ़ने के लिए बोला है पहले, ठीक है। फर्स्ट 6 मंथ दो पोर्शन में डिवाइड करिए, फर्स्ट 6 मंथ देन नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ। कल या परसों मेरा नवंबर का क्लास हो जाएगा, बट मैं पूरे 2023 का जो आरबीआई सर्कुलर है उसकी जो बेस्ट 200 एमसीक्यू, बेस्ट 200 एमसीक्यू सिर्फ उसी को लेके आऊंगा, ठीक है। क्योंकि कुछ एक 8-10 महीने पहले का जो अपडेट है वो तो चला गया होगा, वो बेकार का एमसीक्यू है। आईसीआरआर, आईसीआरआर अभी तो हट गया है। आईसीआरआर में हमने 3 फेज में 3 आरबीआई सर्कुलर में आईसीआरआर के बारे में डिस्कस किया है। फाइनली तो आरबीआई आईसीआरआर हट गया है। तो एक ही एमसीक्यू आ सकता है कि आईसीआरआर कितने परसेंटेज का था, बस एडिशनल 10% और आईसीआरआर कौन से बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन एक्ट या फिर आरबीआई एक्ट के कौन से सेक्शन के तहत आरबीआई ने उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया था, ठीक है। तो सिस्टमेटिक मैनर में जो विड्रॉल हुआ 25% पहले, ये सब आएगा ही नहीं, ठीक है। इसीलिए मैं सिर्फ बेस्ट 200 MCQ विच इज स्टिल रिलीवेंट इन जान 24 के लिए मुझे मेहनत करना होगा, ठीक है। ज्यादा पढ़ाने में मेहनत नहीं लगता, कम पढ़ाने में मेहनत लगता है, आपको पता है, ठीक है। एंड इन कम पढ़ाने में आपको वही पढ़ाना होगा जो बेस्ट है, जो आएगा एग्जाम में। इसलिए थोड़ा रिसर्च करना होगा और आपका बहुत ज्यादा टाइम बच जाएगा ये क्लास से। आपका जब मैं ये क्लास लूंगा आपका, तो आपका कम से कम 12 घंटा बच जाएगा। 12 आवर्स विल बी सेव्ड ऑफ योर्स। गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? दिस इज माई फास्ट, नॉट फास्ट, ये आगे होगा क्योंकि 2023 का पूरा कवर नहीं है, ये दिसंबर एंड 30 के आसपास इसको रखेंगे, ठीक है। डोंट वरी, डोंट वरी। मंथली बैंकिंग लास्ट 6 मंथ, ठीक है। मंथली बैंकिंग में बहुत चीजें क्या है कि शॉर्ट लिव्ड होता है, शॉर्ट लिव्ड होता है, इरेलीवेंट होता है। में भी मैं लास्ट 6 मंथ का 200 एमसीक्यू ही रेकमेंड करूंगा। तो आप इसको थोड़ा सा पढ़ना हॉल्ट कर दीजिए या फिर थ्योरी पढ़िए। एमसीक्यू बेस्ट एमसीक्यू लेके आऊँ, ठीक है। देयर इज ए मंथली बैंकिंग में है, कुछ चीजें हैं जो इरेलीवेंट भी है। ये प्रपोज डील होने वाला है, सब काम नहीं आएगा। जीडीपी फोरकास्ट जो है वो रिसेंट वाला काम आएगा। जीडीपी फोरकास्ट में भी मैंने बताया है आपको कहाँ से क्वेश्चन आएगा, कहाँ से क्वेश्चन। And South Indian students, don't worry, this will be in English also. So mostly it will be in English and English and in Hindi, and Hindi seminars will be taken by Praveen sir. So everybody will get equal participation at knowledges. Okay, that is going to be big deal, because here, see, many teachers, most of the students will be working really hard on two things: monthly banking, current affairs, general awareness. We will save that time with a strategy, because you don't need to waste your time in this. This will give you less mark, but a lot of effort should be taken here. So as per the strategy session I told on the very first day, the things will play at knowledgeist. ठीक है, ये पहले लगेगा. Okay, next. Banking Marathon MCQ Carnival, like I did yesterday, this will continue. This will be additional, क्योंकि holidays में you have 18 hours that day, right? 18 hours you have that day, and we have multiple faculties. So it is a mandatory carnival, marathon MCQ carnival that will take place by me 2 hours in each Sunday. That is compulsory, 100%, apart from other seminars. ये 2 घंटा हम आपका लेंगे, तो बाकी तो आपके पास और भी 12-13 घंटा बच जाएगा ना पढ़ने के लिए उस दिन. तो उस दिन हम दूसरा कुछ एमसीक्यू का भी सेट कर सकते हैं. इट विल कंटिन्यू टिल द एग्जाम, दैट एमसीक्यू कार्निवल, दैट इज माय लुकआउट. ओके, and this time in this fast MCQ carnival, we made some simple classes. We ran classes with easy steps, but लेटर आई विल बी इन रैपिड फायर मोड. मैं धीरे धीरे रैपिड फायर मोड में आ जाऊंगा. तो मैं ये थोड़ा सा डिले करके इसलिए नेक्स्ट वीक से शुरू करेंगे, क्योंकि most of you have requested us to start the serious classes after December 1, because many people have not received their salary, not yet able to join. But my recommendation is you must join as early as possible, because apart from live classes, what you are missing, the question bank that you need to go through, right? And today we added some other MCQs in your application, quiz in your application. Fun check it. Okay. So English is damn easy. A special edition. Even you miss all the English classes, you can go through this one class with Sony ma'am, and in one class we will cover what is best, so that you at least score 10 mark in one exam, in one class, which will be necessary for you get some amount of marks in English. If you attend this class and miss all other classes, we will be working hard on this. If you attend only this class and miss all other classes, it's still okay for us. Give you the result and for you to score 10 marks, right? Next, Forex and NRI account. It was in 21-22. There are many questions asked from Forex and NRI accounts. Okay, so 12 odd questions. Last time it was RBI circular influenced. Apart from that, other content. Previous year it was NI Act, Forex, AML, KYC, etc. So I found one topic where we could discuss a lot of MCQ that could give you if pattern changes, because pattern will definitely change this year. 3 years, 3 different kind of pattern. So don't rely on RBI circular only. This was last year pattern, and this year they are very much in mind to change the pattern. Question bank they will definitely tweak. Okay, so because recently if you see this exams in Bank of Maharashtra, the patterns are very tough and they are changing the pattern very quickly. Okay, so that will be taken by me in a either in a marathon or in a late night session. Okay, 9 to 11 I may take once that late night, because I have always told you my session make you awake a little late till night, 11:30 sometimes. You should have the patience, otherwise you will get PDF and okay, that I will cover. Okay, but repeated one other class, I think. Okay, I think I missed one descriptive master class. I think I missed one descriptive master class. This one got repeated. Okay, it will be the descriptive master class. Okay, descriptive master class. One class, descriptive master class, descriptive master class. One session of 1 to 2 hours, 2 hours maybe, 2 hours, and more than enough for you to score at least 30 to 35 out of 50. Out of 50. And apart from that, the most probable topics will be given to you for your reference. But this class will be more than enough for essay writing and um, letter writing. Okay, because you have to write letter in the format of a bank, official letter. So we will guide you. That is damn easy. Sorry. So these are the master class, and apart from that, we'll have 10 more workshops that are also coming, but we are not revealing because the topics are part of the syllabus and the syllabus is not available many. So if I reveal the syllabus here, many people will start copying that kind of syllabus and start in that segment only. Want to reveal that, know where the question bank comes from, how it is influenced. So see you in these marathons. Your request, I always accept the requests of my students because it is my what you say, it is my way of evolving. Because if you need more of something, why should not I provide you? Because we are all here for results. Mostly I am here for results. I don't know all about you, how much you are worried about results, but I am here worried about give 3000 results. Thank you everybody for joining us and continuingly believing us, and thank you again for making the biggest SBI CBO batch at Knowledgeist. From our close competitor, as I got some information, and many people are saying that those who are uh, enrolled to many big batches out there, from our close competitor, we are 50 times bigger batch running. In coming days, we will be 100 times bigger, because if in your batch there are 100 people, here there will be at least 5000 people preparing with knowledge. That is the power of you and us coming together and making this wonder happen at knowledge. Thanking you. See you at the internal classes. Today there will be no YouTube live. There will be only internal classes starting from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Thank you.